Once the yarns are spun and dyed, the loom is prepared for the weaving process. Although the art of rug weaving is very time-consuming, it is also a fairly basic one, requiring a simple loom, a few tools, and some yarn. There are two basic types of looms, the vertical and the horizontal. Most rugs are made on vertical looms, which consist of two vertical posts and two adjustable crossbeams. The warp of the rug is created by winding parallel threads vertically between the two crossbeams. The ends of the warp threads will become the fringe of the rug. The rows of knots are anchored and aligned by the horizontal weft threads. In a hand-knotted rug, the weaver ties each knot individually through the warp threads. The knots are then hammered into the weft, helping ensure the durability of the rug. After 5 or 6 inches of knots have been tied, the weaver usually trims the tufts slightly, revealing the rug's design more clearly. Once the weaving is done, the rug is then put through the shearing process. Here the tops of the loops are sheared to expose the thread ends for a softer, plusher, and more uniform pile. Hand-tufted rugs are created by substituting the time-consuming craft of hand knotting with the faster method of looping yarn through a canvas-type backing with a handheld tufting gun. This method not only saves a lot of time, it also keeps the price of the rug lower than a knotted rug of equal size and comparable quality. Hand-hooked rugs are produced in much the same way, except the loops of yarn are left intact to form a knobby pile. A flat weave rug is constructed without a pile. Here, colored weft yarns are woven through the warps to create the pattern. It's important to remember that no handmade rug is perfectly symmetrical or uniform. From the dyeing process through the shearing process, the work is done entirely by hand, making it inevitable that most rugs will have slight irregularities. Consequently, each rug has its own distinct personality. The most high-tech and precise method of rug making is the Power Loom. Recent advances in technology have greatly expanded the fashion and quality range of these rugs. These state-of-the-art looms can produce as many as 30 different shades of color in a single design. Once the weaving and shearing processes are finished, all rugs go through a lengthy and painstaking washing. This washing process is specifically designed to give the carpet pile a beautiful silky texture and to create a brilliant and even sheen. Finally, many rug designs are hand-carved from the deep carpet pile. This brings out the beauty of the rug's design against the background colors. They are also hand-serged. The rug's density, or number of knots per square inch, can be a useful indicator of the fineness and durability of the rug. Generally, the more knots the better. A superb oriental rug may have more than 500 to 1,000 knots per square inch. On hand-knotted rugs, you can readily see the density of the knotting of the rug by looking at the back of the piece. Each knot shows itself as a single square on the back of the rug. Regardless of the design, density, or method of construction, rugs are becoming less defined by just the 4 walls of a room. Nurison creates a wide assortment of shapes and sizes, giving consumers the ability to create a distinctive and truly personal fashion statement in any part of the home.